Gusto ko i-share sa inyo yung nilabas na Colliers na article. Ang sabi, that South Luzon is no longer the next, it's the now. Ako naniniwala ako doon. As a practitioner, noon pag binibenta namin or inaalok namin yun si South, we always highlight yung distance niya to Metro Manila. Ngayon, parang hindi na nagmamatter kasi yung mga kliyente namin is considering South because it's complete. Lahat ng kailangan mo, nandun And one institution that can justify that it's complete are educational institutions. In fact, Santa Rosa is becoming a university capital kasi nagsulputan yung napakaraming school. And school, in a perspective of development, are great indicators that there are increasing population in starting families. Marami nang tumitira. Ito naman, another research ng LICHU, it states that 70% ng mga bumibili sa South are not located in South. They are coming from Metro Manila. So basically, ang nangyayari is nagmamigrate yung mga tao sa Metro Manila papuntang South. Kung tatanungin ako sa reason, possibly because the value for money is high. Yung condo na mabibili nila sa Manila is a big residential lot na inside the village pag pumunta ka sa South. And then mas maliwalas, mas malog yung mga kalsada, mas prepared yung infrastructure. Yun yung mga possible reasons kung ba't nila kino-consider. Sa Ayala Land naman, mapapansin mo din na kahit ngayon that the market is challenging, I can say, buyers are taking more time to decide, pero ang decisions nila napupunta rin sa residential lot Kasi residential lot ng Ayala Land recorded 20% increase in growth if we compare it to 2025 volume of sales. So, yun lang. Thank you so much.